Hello dear students, we have already completed 4 questions from exercise 8.1. Today we are going to do the next few questions. Let us go to question number 5. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? Chameli took some money and went for shopping. Okay, and she spent what percentage of her money? 75% she has spent, and then she got 600 rupees with her. It is similar to question number 3. You can do it in 2 different ways. Okay, let us see how to do it. We don't know how many rupees she had. So let us think it as X. Let the amount Chameli had is equal to X. How much, what percentage did she spend? 75%. So, percentage she spent is equal to 75. Okay. What is remaining? What is the remaining percentage? That also if you do simultaneously, you can do it both the ways. So let us do it on the other side. So percentage of money left is equal to, if she spent 75%, what percentage is left with her? 100 minus 75, that is 25% of money is left with her. Okay, now what amount is left with her and what amount she has spent? Both ways we will do it. Amount spent is equal to X into 75 upon 100, that is 3 upon 4x. If 3 upon 4x is spent, what is left with her? Amount left with her is equal to how much? Rupees 600. This amount she has spent. Okay. So, how much amount is left with her? 600. What part is spent by her? 3/4 of her money. Okay, so what amount is this? That is 1/4 of X is equal to 600. 3/4 she has already used. So, what is left with her? 1/4. So, X is equal to 600 into 4. That is 2400. This is one way, and here directly you can do, if she has not used 25%, 25% of X is equal to 600. 25 upon 100 into X is equal to 600. X is equal to 600 into 100 upon 25. That is 4. So what amount she had in the beginning? She had rupees 2400 with her. So in both the ways if you do, you get the same answer. The next question is, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and the remaining like other games, then what percent of people like other games? If the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number of people who like each game. So, what is given? There are different tastes. Some people like cricket, some like football, and some like other games. So let us find out that. So those who like cricket, what percent of people like cricket? 60%. What percent like football? 30%. Total percent is always 100. Okay. So from 100, if 60% like cricket and 60% like football, what percent like other games? Other games will be equal to 100 minus 60 plus 30. That is 100 minus 90, which is equal to 10%. So first part of the question, what percent of people like other games? What percent? 10% people like other game. Now we got other games 10%. Cricket 60%, football 30% and other games 10%. Now we have to find in each group how many people are there, the number of people. The total number of people is given 50 lakhs. So total number of people is 50 lakhs. Now let us find out in each group how many are there. So number of people who like, let us see, number 1 cricket is 60% of, 60% means 60 out of 60 upon 100 or 60 out of 100 into 50 lakhs. When you do cancellation, 6 5s are 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 lakhs. Now how many people like football? Is 30%. 30 out of 100 into 50 lakhs. It will be 15 lakhs people. Now to find other games. Is 10 upon 100 into 50 lakh. It will be 5 lakh. Now if you count all this, you should get 50 lakhs. You see 30 plus 15, 45 plus 5, 50 lakhs. That's all for today. In the next class, we will do some more questions. Thank you.